How to replace a 2021 Honda Accord 5-button smart remote key fob battery. Now here's Sergeant Locksmith to show you how.
All right, we're going to change the battery out here on our 5-button Honda remote. Simple task to do. Go back on the back of it. You got your emergency release key blade. Pull it out. Now that you got your emergency blade out, hold the remote between your two fingers because you don't want this to open up. Take your blade, put it in right in the middle, and twist it. Once it pops, stop. Lay it face down. Now once you lay it face down, take the rest of it off. You notice right here, your battery, CR2032. You got 4 tabs that hold it in. These 2 towards the emergency blade. Pull back on gently. Don't break them. You just pull back a little with your fingernail. And what you do, you should be able to lift up on there. As you notice, the battery wants to play little games. Don't worry, you got it out. Simple. Now, new battery goes in. Make sure the button side, this side here, is down. Positive side is up. Slide it in, push down, and it snaps back in. And put it together. If your remote still does not work, verify that your battery is good. I've seen them come in bad. And we'll slide the emergency blade back in. There you go. Thanks for watching. Hey, if the buttons did pop out on the thumbnail, you'll see. I'll show you how to put it back together. Thanks again for watching.